Greetings everyone, myself Muskan. I am a student of BSc Chemistry Honors second year. Today I am here to explain the topic diazonium salts. Arene diazonium salt were discovered by John Peter Grices in 1858. They have the general formula Ar positive and 2X negative, where Ar stands for the aryl group and X may be any anion such as chlorine anion, bromine anion, and so on. Aliphatic diazonium salt are also known as, but they are highly unstable. They rapidly decompose even at low temperature, forming carbocation and nitrogen gas. Therefore, in this unit, we shall discuss the chemistry and synthetic application of arene diazonium salt, only particularly with reference to the benzene diazonium salt chloride. Now we will discuss the nomenclature. Diazonium salt are named by the suffix diazonium to the name of the aromatic compound followed by the name of the anion. For example, benzene diazonium chloride, para-nitrobenzene diazonium fluoride, etc. Structure of benzene diazonium chloride. Molecular formula. The molecular formula of benzene diazonium chloride are determined from the analytical data, and molecular weight determination is C6H5N2Cl, and the Gracie structure proposed for benzene diazonium chloride, in which the both nitrogen atom were directly linked to the benzene nucleus. It's a salt it's a salt like character. Displacement of the nitrogen atom by a univalent atom or group in the most of the reaction. Now we will discuss its third structure, calcule structure. Calcule proposed the structure of benzene diazonium chloride, in which only one nitrogen was linked to the benzene nucleus. Evidence in favor. Structure to explain most of the drawback of Grace's structure, such as its reduction of phenolphthalein dihydrazine, formation of azo compound by coupling reaction, preparation of diazonium salt from penta substituted anils, and displacement of both the nitrogen atom by a univalent atom or group. Point against calculate structure. Structure cannot explain its salt character and its instability as compared to azo compounds, since both contain n double bond and linkage. Fourth is Bloomstead structure. Bloomstead suggested structure from benzene diazonium chloride, in which the nitrogen attached to the benzene ring in pentavalent while the other is trivalent. Evidence in support. It explained the objection of structure 1 and 2. Structure 3 is further supported by the following fact. Its ready solubility in water, not in common organic solvent. Its completely ionization as shown by conductivity measurement. The presence of triple bond as shown as infrared IR spectroscopy. Its stability as compared to azo compounds. Its stability, the geometrical isomerism as shown by the diazoids and diazoids, which are metallic salt of diazonium hydroxide. Now we will discuss the preparation of diazonium salt. Aromatic diazonium salt are generally prepared by adding a cold aqueous solution of sodium nitrite to the solution or suspension of primary aromatic amine in an acid. Diazonium salt are also formed when aromatic primary amines react with nitrite esters such as amyl nitrite. The nitrite ester needed for the purpose are prepared by treatment of alcohol and nitrous acid. Thus, the process of conversion of primary aromatic amine to its diazonium salt is known as diazotization. General procedure for diazotization: the primary aromatic amine is dissolved or suspending in a dilute acid such as HCl, H2SO4, etc. The amine is cooled and a cold aqueous solution of sodium nitrite is slowly added to it at such a rate that the temperature of the reaction mixture does not rise above 278 Kelvin. The addition of sodium nitrate solution is stopped as soon as a few drops of the reaction mixture a blue color produce a blue color with the starch potassium iodide paper showing the presence of unreacted nitrous acid in the reaction mixture. Too much excess of nitrous acid is generally avoided since it's subsequently interfere with the reaction of diazonium salt. The excess of nitrous acid may be destroyed by the addition of urea. Since diazonium salt slowly decompose even at low temperature, they are used immediately after preparation. Now we will discuss the stability of diazonium salt. Aromatic diazonium salt are much more stable than aliphatic diazonium salt due to the dispersal of positive charge over the benzene ring as shown as below. Alternately, the instability of diazonium salt is due to the tendency to eliminate the exceptionally stable molecule of nitrogen to form carbon cation. Since phenyl carbocation is much less stable than alkyl carbocation. Aromatic diazonium salt have much lower tendency to eliminate nitrogen than aliphatic diazonium salt. In other words, aromatic diazonium salt are much more stable than aliphatic diazonium salt. Now we will discuss its physical property. Arene diazonium salt are generally colorless, crystalline, solid, high soluble in water. Many diazonium salt, especially nitrates, are dangerous, explosive in a dry state. Therefore, they are never isolated but usually prepared in situ and used immediately after their preparation. Certain diazonium salts, such as fluoroborate, are relatively insoluble in water and are stable enough to dried and store. Some diazonium salt are form complex with metallic acids such as zinc chloride. Now we will discuss its chemical properties. Arine Arine diazonium salt are highly reactive compound. They high reactive arise due to the excellent leaving ability of diazo group as nitrogen gas. They are therefore extremely useful synthetic reagent in organic chemistry. The reaction of diazonium salt are broadly divided into two categories. The reaction in which diazo group are replaced by a monovalent atom or group, the reaction in which the nitrogen atom are retained. A reaction in which diazo group is replaced by monovalent compound is explained as some important reaction of this category. First one is replacement of hydrogen, that is known as deamination. The replacement of diazo group by hydrogen or the reduction of diazonium salt to arenes is usually brought about the treating a diazonium salt with hypophosphorus acid in room temperature, preferably in presence of Cu salt as a catalyst. The reaction also carried out by the treating amines with sodium nitrite and hypophosphorus acid is a diazotting reagent. Alternatively, diazo group may be replaced by hydrogen by heating arene diazonium salt with ethanol. The whole process involving diazotization of amine followed by the reaction of diazonium salt or replacement of diazo group by hydrogen is known as deaminization. It may be inferred here that during the reaction of diazonium salt with ethanol, two products are usually obtained. One involving the replacement of diazo group by hydrogen as discussed above. The relative amount of two products, however, depend upon the nature of diazo compound and the ethanol used. If group 1 is present in the nuclei, ethanol is used. The replacement of diazo group of hydrogen. In other hand, methanol is used. The predominant product is aryl methyl ether, that is anisole. Now we will discuss its second reaction, that is replacement by an aryl group.